The oceans are so huge that until recently it was largely accepted that no matter how much trash and chemicals were dumped into them, the effects wouldn't be noticed. The catchphrase, "the solution to pollution is dilution," was even coined. However, in recent years, there has been an overwhelming amount of evidence that oceans have suffered at the hands of mankind. Studies show that degradation, particularly off shoreline areas, has accelerated dramatically in the past 3 centuries as industrial discharge and runoff from farms and coastal cities has increased. Common man-made pollutants that reach the oceans include pesticides, herbicides, chemical fertilizers, detergents, oil, sewage, plastics, and other solids. Scientists are even discovering that pharmaceuticals ingested by humans but not fully processed by our bodies are eventually ending up in the fish we eat. Solid waste like bags, foam, and other items dumped into the ocean from land or by ships at sea are frequently consumed, with often fatal effects by marine mammals, fish, and birds that mistake it for food. Discarded fishing nets drift for years, ensnaring fish and mammals. Luckily, though, humans are beginning to see how disastrous marine pollution can be, but without the help of everyone, waters, animals, and eventually humans will continue to be affected by the trash. This graph shows how different pollutants are distributed. Surprisingly, 43% of them are from unknown sources, which means that scientists will have to do a lot more research to find out what is harming the waters. The next biggest contributor is stormwater runoff, then industrial waste. The statistics show us that we have a huge problem on our hands and that the companies need to be more careful with their runoff waste and that we as a community need to be more proactive about the environment.